Jumptask is a broken app, in spite looking sleek, clean and professional. I tried Jumptask from Romania, and let me tell you, it was not the smooth ride I expected. Surveys, none of them worked. I couldn't qualify for any. Games, I installed, played, I completed the task, but got no reward. And that's just the beginning. At first glance, Jumptask looks promising. Earn crypto by completing simple tasks, surveys, games, even watching YouTube videos, googling something. Sounds easy, right? Well, it would be if it actually worked. From Romania, where I live, I couldn't qualify for a single survey. But honestly, the region wasn't the biggest problem. The app itself is broken. I installed games, finished the required task and got nothing. And YouTube videos, absolute scammy behavior. To complete a task, you are required to search for the YouTube video and then click the Jumptask link in the description. Some creators, like this ones, when I see their faces I know that it's going to be a scam task, don't even put the Jumptask link in the description. So newcomers watch the whole video, scroll down and no link. They can't complete the task and get the reward. So what do I use Jumptask for? Honestly, mostly the daily crypto faucet. Jumptask gives you 1 cent worth of crypto daily. You just have to press a button. I only occasionally get tasks that actually work, like following people on X or some Google tasks, but mostly I just use the faucet. The app is legit. Payouts do eventually go through, but sometimes you have to keep pressing that payout button for days until it finally works, because you keep getting errors. And you have to keep on pressing the button multiple times a day until the app finally manages to send you the few money you have. Jumptask is legit. I've withdrawn crypto multiple times, and once it's in your wallet, you can exchange it. But legit doesn't mean good. The app is buggy, the partners are shady, and the support is silent. So while it's not a scam, it's definitely frustrating. And my results? With the faucet and the few tasks I actually managed to complete, because most of them are broken, I earned about $1 a month. That's right, $1. So, is it worth it? You be the judge. That's my honest experience with Jumptask. Have you tried it? Did you face the same broken tasks and shady partners? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear if it's just me or it's a global issue. And it should be a global issue. I mean, the tasks I received were pretty much universal. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Until next time.